Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create file in Windows 10. So in desktop you can create file. Right click on it. From new you can create file and folder from here. From new. Now I'm going to open my file explorer. So in file explorer, if I click right button, in home you can create new item from here. Folder, shortcut, bitmap image, rich text document or text document. So these two are additional. If you install Windows software, I discussed this in another video, how you can use this. So you can Windows file or Windows archive also. I'm going to right click on this, and from new you can create new folder, shortcut, bitmap image. First I'm going to create folder. So you can see I create a new folder. Then shortcut, we can also create shortcut. Like this, you can create any shortcut in here. From new, you can also create image, bitmap image from here. Rich text document. If I open this, now you can see it's open our WordPad. You can type anything in here. And then last one is text document. We can also create text document, or we can save any text in this text document. So I'm going to save this. Simply click on save. You can save this. So guys, in this way you can create file in Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.